Very good morning to all of you. So yesterday we have started the concept of parallel lines and the relation of the parallel line and the transversal angle formed by them. We were discussing some of the angles we have learned. So many are still to be learned, and let us continue from there. So I have told you that if we are having two parallel lines, say L and M, and there is a transversal N, right? Two parallel lines and a line which is intersecting these two lines is known as transversal line. Now, when this transversal line, it falls on the two parallel lines, so many angles are made, right? Some angles, they lie interior of the lines and other angles lie exterior of the lines, right? Some angles lie interior of the lines, other angles lie exterior of the line. So yesterday we have discussed the angles which lie interior of the lines, and I have told you that let me firstly mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? As far as interior, alternate interior angles हमने देखा था. I have told you that when you have to find the interior angles, you have to see the interior portion of the sides. Right? So these are alternate interior angles. Yesterday we have discussed angle 3, angle 5, then angle 4, angle 6. Alternate interior, right? Then we have done interior angles on the same side of transversal, and they are better known as co-interior angles, right? And what were those? Co-interior. I was giving you one example that when you are sitting on a seat in train, one person just sitting adjoining to you is known as your co-passenger. Similarly, फोर के ज्वाइंट में जो बिल्कुल उसके साथ उसी की रेंज में बैठा हुआ है, that is 5, that is known as co-interior angle to 4. So 4 and 5 collectively known as co-interior angles. Similarly, 3 and 6 are collectively known as co-interior angles. So yesterday I have told you one property of these alternate interior angle and the co-interior angle. Anyone can tell me what that property was? What is the relation between the alternate interior angles? Relation between alternate interior angles. Yes, Karthik is raising hand. Let us unmute.
Yes, ma'am. I think in case of parallel lines, alternate interior angles are always equal. That is, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6.
Karthik, in the starting you said na, in case of parallel lines, you have won my heart by saying this. I just want to just want to know whether you are knowing that this will happen only in the case of parallel lines, just not in case of the simple lines. In case of parallel lines only, alternate interior angles are equal. Very good. बिल्कुल ठीक बताया कार्तिक ने. What is the properties of these alternate interior angles in case of parallel lines? That they will be equal to one another. Savya, can you tell me the property of the co-interior angles?
Yes, ma'am. In case of parallel lines, sum of co-interior angles is always 180 degrees.
That means co-interior angles are supplementary. 4 plus 5 is 180 and 3 plus 6 is 180. This is what we have discussed yesterday, right? So let us continue some more new things in today's lecture. So, you know, yesterday I have told you about the interior angles, right? Now we will talk about the exterior angle. When we are talking about the exterior angle, that means if your mother is saying that dustbin is lying exterior of the house, just go and pick it up. So you will go outside of the house. You will not come inside and see that where the dustbin lies, right? So when I'm talking about the exterior angles, that means you just have to see the Harmeet just now, right? Till now, I have just revised whatever we have done yesterday. Abhi today ka lecture we are going to start right now. So don't worry. आपका hand raise है. आप में से शायद यही कहना है, right? So don't you worry about that. So now, as we are going to discuss alternate exterior angles, so to avoid any kind of a little bit confusion, I am removing these interior angles. Interior angles I have removed, right? So first of all, we will learn third type of angles we are learning, alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Two qualities they are having. One, they are exterior. Another, they are alternate as well. See, 2 and 8, first pair. And the second pair is 1 and 7. 2 and 8 is the first pair of alternate exterior angle. And 1 and 7 is the another pair of alternate exterior angles. As I have told you the property of the alternate interior angles in case of parallel line, similarly we are having the properties of alternate exterior angle in case of parallel lines. And to your surprise, these two are same, nothing difference between them. That means in case of parallel line, alternate exterior angles, they are always equal. This is a third type of angle, better known as alternate exterior angles. Okay. Should we move to the next? ठीक है. Next. Yes, बेटे ask.
Ma'am, alternate exterior angles also lie in parallel lines.
बच्चे ऑल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल नॉन पैरेलल लाइन के केस में अगर मैं लाइंस ऐसे बना दूं 8 एंगल्स तब भी आएंगे, बट इक्वल कब होते हैं? जब पैरेलल लाइंस होती हैं. नॉन पैरेलल लाइंस के केस में भी इफ ट्रांसवर्सल इज देयर 8 एंगल्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड, बट ओनली इन केस ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस दे आर इक्वल. एम आई क्लियर साव्या?
यस मैम.
ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट टाइप, फोर्थ टाइप, exterior angles on the same side of transversal. जैसे हमने इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल किए थे, नाउ वी विल डू एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल एंड दे आर बेटर नोन एज co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. What is the meaning of co-exterior angle? That means they lie on the same side of transversal and they are adjoined to each other. If I'm talking about one, to make a co-exterior angle pair, you'll take the second angle as it 8. Angle 1, angle 8, first pair, and the second pair is angle 2, angle 7. And they too satisfy the same property that their sum is 180. These are called co-exterior angles, and to just know better about their position, we say that exterior angles which lie on the same side of transversal, known as co-exterior angle. And to see the position, exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Remember it like this, you'll be able to find it easily. And the you can say figure. Right, these are the fourth type of angles. Now I'm shifting towards the fifth type of angle. Now let me make all the angles once again. Fifth type of angles that we are going to discuss are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now, bete, keep one thing in mind. When I am talking about corresponding angles, just take one example. You in the fraction of second, you'll understand the meaning of the corresponding angles. See two lines. Suppose there is a gathering of people, you can say when you used to come in school, right? So your class, it used to be in the upper corridor, right? So it was easy for you to communicate with your friends whose class, suppose one of your younger brother or sister studying in the class which is in the upper corridor, right? So you can correspond to that child very easily, right? That means the people who are there in the upper corridor, they can correspond to each other very easily, right? And similarly, the people who are on the ground floor, whose classes are on the ground floor in the school, they can correspond to each other quite easily and quite well, right? While one who is in the upper corridor and another who is on the ground floor, if they will talk to each other, if they will try to communicate with each other, they will be culprit as far as the discipline rule of the school is concerned. Similarly, if we are talking about the corresponding angles, firstly, you have to keep in mind either they will be above the lines or they will be below the line. Only then they can correspond. One angle, if you are taking above the line, another you can't take below the line. That means one can't correspond with 8. 2 can't correspond with 7. Right? 3, it is below the line. It can't correspond with 6. Corresponding angles either lie above of the line or lie below of the line. And that too on the same side of transversal. ये नहीं, you are taking this one, that means one child of the one school and one child of the another school, they can to never communicate, never correspond. तो आपने एक तो same side of transversal देखनी है. Second, what thing you have to keep in mind, either the angle should be above the line or the angle should be below the line. So first pair I am writing of the corresponding angle, angle 1 same side पे, angle 5, they lies above the line, ऊपर दो 1,5, और इसी साइड पे नीचे कौन है 4 and 8, so these are also corresponding. Coming to the left side of the figure, you can see this 2 and this 6, they lie above the line, so they can correspond to each other. So 2 and 6 again is making the pair of the corresponding angles, and 3 and 7 are two making the pair of the corresponding angles. या तो लाइन के ऊपर या लाइन के नीचे. Don't take it like one above the line, another below the line. It is very easy to learn if you keep this thing in mind, that only those people can correspond who are living in the same colony, right? Who are either on the upper side, on the upper floor, or who are on the ground floor. So Gorish is having some doubt. Yes, Gorish, you can ask.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मेरी थोड़ी देर पहले कनेक्टिंग आ गई थी, लाइक मेरा नेटवर्क इशू प्रॉब्लम कर रहा था, तो मैम यहाँ पे कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल देखते हैं, दोबारा समझा दो.
Either they will lie above the line. For example, if I'm taking 1, I should have to take 5. If I'm taking 4,
Okay,
I should have to take 8 below the line, but on the same side. On the other side, if I'm taking 2 above the line, I have to take 6. That is above the line. If I'm taking 3, that is to be 7. And in case of parallel line, corresponding angles का जो pair है, pair अपने pair का equal, अपने pair के साथ equality होगी, not with the other pair. So you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7. So note में लिख लो, in case of parallel lines, पिछले शायद angles में note छूट गया, अपने आप लिखना फिर. In case of parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. In case of parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. So these are
Excuse
the...
me, ma'am.
Yes, बेटे बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. मैम जो आपने corresponding angle से पहले वाले जो कराए थे, exterior angles on the same side of transversal, मैम उसको मेरे को ना वो समझ नहीं आया कि उसको co-exterior angles क्यों कहते हैं.
जब interior angles on the same side of transversal थे तो उनका नाम co-interior था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the same way.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलिए.
Yes.
बर्फी को मीठा क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि उसमें चीनी होती है. फिर अगर आप पूछो गुलाब जामुन को क्यों मीठा कहते हैं? सेम रीजन, उसमें भी तो चीनी होती है. सेम वे, राइट? So these are the types of the angles that you have to remember, and the result, the notes that we have written below, that these will be equal in the case of parallel lines and this and that are to be kept in mind. And now in between, Savya has asked one question that, ma'am, if the lines are not parallel, will the result will remain the same? So just from that point of view, we are going to write how to check two lines to be parallel. How to check two lines to be parallel? That means in all the cases, whether the lines are parallel or not, these angles will be formed. When we say that the lines are parallel, how to check the lines are parallel? I am writing, if from all above discussed results और एंगल्स कह सकते हो आप, even a single result holds, then we say that lines are parallel. If from all above discussed results or the angle, even a single result holds, then we say that lines are parallel. What I want to convey by writing this, that sometimes a picture or you can say a diagram is given to you and you have to check whether out of that diagram you can make the conclusion about the parallelism of line or not. That means you can say it about lines parallel or not. So you have to check that if alternate interior angles equal, the matter will be sorted out. If alternate exterior angle equal, even then the lines will be parallel. If interior angles on the same side of transversal supplementary, then line will be parallel. If exterior angles on the same side of lines will be supplementary, even then lines will be parallel. If the corresponding angles are equal, even then lines will be parallel. That means out of the result, 5 results that we have done earlier, even if single result holds, we say the two lines are parallel. और उनमें से अगर एक भी रिजल्ट होल्ड नहीं होता, कोई एक रिजल्ट ऐसा आ जाए आपके पास, आपने देखा कोई इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 180 नहीं आ रहा, तो किसी और को चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, देन द लाइंस आर नॉट पैरेलल. एक मिनट, एक रिजल्ट का होल्ड करना एंड एक रिजल्ट का ना होल्ड करना लाइंस को पैरेलल एंड नॉन पैरेलल बना सकता है. हाँ जी, नाउ आस्क योर क्वेरी.
यस मैम, लाइक आपने बोला कि हम इस मेथड से चेक कर सकते हैं कि पैरेलल लाइंस हैं. तो मैम हम जैसे लाइक पैरेलल लाइंस आपने कल एक्सप्लेन किया था कि होती बिल्कुल उनकी जो डिस्टेंस होता है उनके बीच में वो बिल्कुल इक्वल होता है. तो मैम हम इस बेसिस पे चेक कर सकते हैं कि वो पैरेलल लाइंस है नहीं, क्योंकि मैम उनके बीच का डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा ही नहीं तो फिर वो पैरेलल लाइंस बन ही नहीं सकती ना.
Let me tell you one thing, Gaurish, your query or your, you can say, observation is somewhat right, but when we are talking about exam, the lines are made, no doubt sometimes from the figure it seems to be parallel, but if it is the question about regarding angles given hai, so you have to check according to the angles.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Sure.
Yes ma'am. Thank you.
So this is all about.
मैम
हाँ जी बेटे बोलो.
मैम जो आपने ये अभी लाइन लिखी है इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर लिखा है मैम, उसमें जब आपने लिखा है ऑल अबव डिस्कस्ड के बाद लाइन थोड़ी रिपीट कर दो, ब्लर आ रही है.
ऑल अबव डिस्कस्ड रिजल्ट स्लैश एंगल्स, जितने भी ऊपर रिजल्ट्स और एंगल डिस्कस किए हैं, इवन ए सिंगल रिजल्ट होल्ड्स, अगर एक भी रिजल्ट होल्ड हो जाता है, देन वी से दैट लाइंस आर पैरेलल. इज इट ओके?
यस मैम.
Yes, this is all about with the concept of the chapter. So let us do some try these. Page number 105. Page number 105. Now see, on page number 105, he is not asking you parallel line, non-parallel line. He has just given you angles and asking you that what angles, what kind of angles are these. First figure में 1 और 2 जो angle हैं, पूछते हैं किसी से कि वो आपको कौन से angles लग रहे हैं, 1 and 2. In the first figure, Shubh, Page number 106 पे try this देखो. 106 page number, try this. Angle 1
Yes,
and
ma'am.
angle 1 and 2. They are making pair of which angles?
Yes, ma'am. Page 106 पे.
Page number 106. Try these. First figure. 1 and 2 को कौन सा पेयर बोलोगे आप एंगल्स का? इतने पेयर्स हमने किए, यहाँ पे 1 और 2 कौन सा पेयर बना रहे हैं?
Ma'am, इधर 1 और 2 corresponding angles.
Definitely, exactly. God bless you. Very good. 100 on 100 marks for your concentration and your attentiveness, for your good listening. That बिल्कुल ठीक बताया शुभ ने. That 1 and 2 as they are above, दोनों एक साइड पे भी हैं और ऊपर भी हैं, तो it shows they are corresponding. So can anyone tell me that in case of the second figure, these are the parallel line, this is transversal. So what about this 3 and 4? 3 and 4. इस पर फिगर उसने ऐसे बना दी, hardly matters. Parallel lines नहीं, these are lines.
Alternate interior angles.
बिल्कुल ठीक, alternate interior angles. Why so? They are inside the lines, so they are interior. They are opposite to each other. They are alternate interior, right? So rest of the angles you'll do yourself. अपने आप करना. अच्छा एक मिनट, एक मैं पूछ लेती हूँ. यहाँ पे 11 and 12 लास्ट फिगर में बताना है 11 and 12 क्या है. ये इस अभी नहीं डिस्कस किया, ये पुराना डिस्कस किया हुआ है. अगर कोई बता सकता है मुझे.
मैम लीनियर पेयर.
Definitely they are linear pair. Good. 5.1 का क्वेश्चन भी आपने जज कर लिया 5.2 के कॉन्सेप्ट में. They are linear pair as they are sitting on a straight line. Okay.
Yes,
So you can see these figures and the rest of the questions you can do yourself. चलिए, let us continue. हो गया ये सारा हमारा. चलिए, now come to page number 109. Let us start doing certain questions based on types of the angles we have discussed. Try these, page number 109. Some of the parts I will do and some you will do yourself, right? So first is, there are two lines L and M and there is a transversal T. This is 60 degree, this is X. We are given L parallel to M and to find X. L is parallel to M, it is given, very important that it is given to us that L is parallel to M. So we want to find, so solution. So you will write as L parallel to M, this implies X is equal to 60 degree. Reason is to be mentioned, alternate interior angles in case of parallel lines are always equal. आप सीधा लिख दो, alternate interior angles. अगर आप इतना भी लिख दोगे ना, it is sufficient. पूरी लाइन ना भी लिखोगे that in case of parallel lines alternate interior angles are equal, it is sufficient. अगर आप इतना भी लिख दो alternate interior angles, as X is inside, 60 is also inside, they are interior. As they are opposite to each other, they are alternate. So alternate interior angle की वजह से X की वैल्यू हमारे पास 60 आ गई. चलिए, second figure you will do it yourself. देख लो बोर्ड पे. I am starting with the third figure of the question. थर्ड फिगर में अब गौरीश की बात का आंसर छुपा हुआ है. You know, here he is writing that he is not writing L1 and L2 to be parallel. He says L1, L2 are two lines. कैसी है कैसी नहीं उसने हमें कुछ नहीं बताया. Parallel नहीं, हमें ही, it is not known to us and he is not telling us. We have to see, is angle 1 equal to 2? Is angle 1 equal to 2? Just see L1 and L2 very carefully.
Can I give the answer?
Do they seem to be parallel?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They are not parallel. And if they are not parallel, and what kind of angles they are? Interior, alternate interior.
Yes, ma'am.
And if the lines are not
Yes, ma'am.
parallel, how you can say the alternate interior angles to be equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you will write
Yes, ma'am.
is 1 equal to 2, you will write no, as lines are not parallel. ये पैरेलल का साइन होता है, ठीक है? 11, जिसको आप 11 कहते हो, पैरेलल का साइन. No, as lines are not parallel, so how we can say these are you can say equal. चलिए, coming to the fourth part. Fourth part, there are two lines L and M which are parallel to each other and T is. Now, my dear students, keep one thing in mind. I have discussed the parallel lines in this form, but they can be made in any form. For example, they are like this. These are parallel, this is transversal. In any form, it can be made. This is 60, this is Z. Can anyone tell me, except Karthik and Gaurish, raise your hand. If you can tell me what kind of angle 60 and Z are. L is parallel to M. 60 and Z, which pair of angles they are forming? Anyone raise your hand so that I can ask you. Can you tell me? Those who can tell me, they are most welcome. Raise your hand and tell me 60 and Z, which type of angle they are. IPSA से पूछते हैं. IPSA, you tell what kind of angle 60 and Z are?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटे बोलो. What kind of angles are these? 60 and Z.
Ma'am, I think.
This is trans. बोलो. Speak up.
Exterior. Ma'am, four exterior angles.
थोड़ा सा गलत है. ये लाइंस हैं, ये लाइंस के अंदर का हिस्सा है, ये लाइंस का आउटसाइड है.
Ma'am, four interior
Four
angles.
interior angles inside the lines on the same side of transversal. Inside the lines on the same side of transversal. It is called. They are called co-interior angles, right? And what is the property of the co-interior angles in case of parallel lines? IPSA, can you tell me?
Ma'am, in case of parallel lines, the sum of four interior angles is 180 degree.
Very good. So you will write 60 plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angles. इतना ही बात लिखनी काफी है. So 60 will move to another side, will become minus 60. You have done it in the previous standard. How to solve? So Z comes out to be 120 degree. This is the value of Z. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Chaliye. Let us start with the fifth figure. Fifth figure is lines are given like this now. Any form of the line, any way we can draw the parallel lines. This is transversal, L parallel to M. This angle is, you can say 120, this is X. Can anyone tell me what type of angles X and 120 are?
Corresponding.
Corresponding.
Corresponding because they lie, दो चीजें होनी चाहिए. They lie one side of the line, that is true, and they lie above of the line. दोनों ही line के ऊपर हैं and दोनों ही line के one side पे. And in case of parallel line, what you know about corresponding angles? In case of parallel lines, corresponding angles are always equal. So we can say X is equal to 120, and reason being corresponding angles. Very easy if you know the types of angles and their properties. But if you don't know types of angles and their properties, then all in vain. तब आपके लिए सब कुछ मुश्किल हो जाएगा, right? So the last figure I am taking. Why I am taking the last figure? क्योंकि थोड़ी सी मुश्किल है, मैं करवाना चाहूंगी आपको. See this figure very carefully. Now the question is here, two pair of parallel lines are given. First is P and Q and these both are transversal. जब P और Q पैरेलल बनती हैं तो L and M उनके लिए ट्रांसवर्सल बन जाती हैं. सेकेंड L and M are पैरेलल, जब L and M पैरेलल बनती हैं तो P and Q उनके लिए ट्रांसवर्सल बन जाती हैं. अगर मैं फिगर को रब करूँ ना थोड़ा सा तब आपको शायद ज्यादा समझ आए. ये देखो, पहले सिर्फ आप L और M को देखो. P and Q सॉरी अभी आप सिर्फ P and Q को देखो. P and Q they are parallel lines and L is transversal. हमें ABCD की वैल्यू निकालनी है. पहले मेरा टारगेट A है तो मैंने बाकी को रब कर दिया. When I am considering this, I will write P parallel to Q and L is transversal. What kind of angles they are? Interior angles on the same side of transversal. That means
Co-interior angles.
their sum will be 180. Reason, co-interior reason are to be mentioned, otherwise marks will be deducted. So from here, A comes out to be 120. अब मुझे दूसरी लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी. This is M and the angles are B, C and D and A comes out to be 120. A की वैल्यू हमारे पास 120 आ गई. ठीक है. Now I am going to rub the above it. Now you see. Now what you will write? L parallel to M. L parallel to M. अब इस A की हेल्प से इधर वाला इतना जो जमघट है आप इसमें से क्या फाइंड कर सकते हो? With the help of this A, which angle you can find out? Just imagine.
Now we can find B.
A और B का कोई रिलेशन है?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. They are co-exterior angles.
बच्चे नो को एक्सटीरियर नहीं है.
Ma'am, we can find. I think
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं ठीक बोल रही है इप्सा. They are co-exterior. बिल्कुल ठीक बोला. Because this is also outside the lines. This is also outside the lines. Co-exterior. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना. A and B are co-exterior. So co-exterior का सम क्या होता है? 180. Right?
180.
You write it to be A plus B. Co-exterior. Co-exterior angles. Okay. So
Yes,
from
ma'am.
here, putting the value of A to be 60, B comes out to be 60. B की वैल्यू 60 आ गई. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने जो भी एंगल्स डिस्कस किए वही यूज करने. पुरानी एक्सरसाइज के यूज करो. डी निकल सकता है बी की हेल्प से.
Yes, ma'am. Linear pair.
लीनियर पेयर. बिल्कुल ठीक. राइट डाउन B plus C 180 यूजिंग लीनियर पेयर. अभी B 60 आया तो D is equal to 180 minus 60 1. B की हेल्प से C निकल सकता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या?
Ma'am, alternate. No, ma'am.
Alternate.
No, ma'am. No. One is in exterior and one in
मैंने
interior.
बोला पिछली एक्सरसाइज की हेल्प से, इससे नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Linear pair.
लीनियर पेयर तो ऐसे होते हैं साथ साथ.
मैम फिर D तो निकल सकता है ऐसे linear pair के थ्रू.
D तो निकाल लिया मैंने लीनियर पेयर से. ये क्या कौन से एंगल्स है मुझे ये बता दो बस. B and C. रिकॉल करो एक्सरसाइज 5.1.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल.
Ma'am, oh, vertically opposite angles.
So write down P is equal to B vertically. So B 60 है तो C भी 60 है. All these questions you are supposed to do on your fair notebook.
एक्सक्यूज मी, मैंने लाइक ये वाला चैप्टर रिकॉल नहीं किया था तो थोड़ा भूल गया हुआ था मैं.
कोई बात नहीं, it's okay.
लास्ट चैप्टर इंटीजर्स वाला कर लिया था और सेकंड चैप्टर
It's okay.
फ्रैक्शंस.
It's okay. चलिए, anyhow. So let us start with the exercise. Exercise से भी पहले पेज नंबर 110 पे कुछ ट्राई दीज हैं. अपने आप देखो. फर्स्ट, इज L पैरेलल टू M? Why? Because alternate interior angles equal. Second, is L पैरेलल टू M? Why? उधर 50 दिया हुआ है, इधर 130. सेकंड वाला मैं करवा देती हूँ. ट्राई दिस एट पेज नंबर 110. Second part, there is a line L parallel to M. This is, वो देखना है हमें कि पैरेलल है कि नहीं, एंगल्स की हेल्प से. He says is L parallel to M? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर हमें एंगल्स की हेल्प से लाइंस को पैरेलल देखना है तो पहले हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि जो एंगल्स दिए हैं उनमें कोई रिलेशन बन भी रहा है कि नहीं. देखना,